Namakatira, no?
Don't touch it, okay?
Okay.
You want to eat like that?
No, tatampal ko. Pawababili.
So amazing. Have you seen that?
Nanay, kakatira na ikaw.
Hindi naman ako tatouch.
Nanay!
Bibidyo ko lang! Hindi ko tatouch!
Poison yan, poison! Poison yan.
Bakit ang pangit ang damit mo? Hindi pantay short mo. Mitay ka na ba sa puwet?
Tubig ka lang.
Maapakan yan. Si Ilyas, ano na namang panguhain dyan? Magkakalat ka na naman doon. Ay, Gidi, no. Kawawi.
What's that called? Wag. It must be a verb. But a large...
Wag mo. Masusugat yung body skin mo.
How many
The
years?
skin is so very sensitive. Look at the hairy skin.
Mag-grow yan sa kung ano-ano.
Hindi yan nagiging butterfly. Look, naririnig na tayo. Hala, nagmumove siya.
I can saw his body. Now his face is black. Hindi, it's brown.
Magta-transform na yan siya, Gidi.
Look at... Wait, it's hatching. It's hatching. It's going to fly. I saw, legs. I saw it. There's two. Ayun na yun.
Ano ba yan? Kinakagat ba siya ng ants o hair na yan?
That's his hair. He can survive with 100 years to grow. That's a species.
Species.
Yeah, that's only one. Miss, nagsurvive yan ng 1 million days.
Tagal naman, no? I think galing siya dito sa tree. Diyan siya galing sa tree. Tapos, nung inax ni tata yung tree, na-pull down siya. Tapos, nag-get inside siya sa soil. Nag-hide siya sa soil. And then, I sweep the
And then you feel...
dirties.
And then, did you saw
And
something
then-
fluffy?
Yeah, and then the worm come out. When I came back, I'm so surprised.
Nagulat ka agad?
Yeah,
We need water,
it's so very
Nanay. We need
amazing.
water.
Don't get water.
That's actually a species. But, say cockroach. It's...
Hindi yan cockroach.
I saw
That's
some-
different kinds of insect.
Hindi, I saw some legs. It's brown. It's like... It turns
But it's not a long legs. They use the legs to crawl.
What? How? Wait just a minute. Look, there's
Look, it's moving.
It must be here.
I want to take a look what is under
Oh, there's...
the body.
I think there's... Look.
Oh, no, don't touch it.
Wait, if you touch it... What? Ano yung gonna touch ko? Touch it so. You're gonna touch it.
Ayan na, it's moving. Maybe
I think there's
it's
legs.
feeling hot because the sun is shining bright.
We need to make an aquarium na called, in oxygen. I need an aquarium.
Aquarium?
Yeah.
That's not a fish. Why you need aquarium to have an oxygen? That's not a fish.
But no, it's a fish. Need a fish when okay, wait. I just two tips. First, to be find an aquarium, it's good. And then, so second, put some dirt. And then get this and put it in dirt and look at
Isusuffocate yun pag may dirt.
And then, nalalagay natin yung sa mamaya.
Saan natin lalagay?
In the aquarium. What do you think?
Do you have any idea?
I have an idea.
What is your idea?
We need an aquarium. Say supermarket. But how do we get this?
Let's wait for Tatay. What is Tatay decision about this kind of worm? If we put on the leaves to grow,
Hindi, it
if
was
we
just
put
fun.
on the grass to grow, if we put on the
I put it in.
water to swim.
No.
If we put on the... What Giddy's doing? Why Giddy's running away?
He just leaves. I give it in. And this can eat, but I'm curious. What is...
Let's check it if it's... Hoy, tikilis daw siya.
I'm opening him to show what's his...
Hindi yan yung food niya.
What's he eating?
Cover mo Giddy sa body niya. Because hot na siya. Because the sun is shining bright. Look at the blanket leaves. Don't remove it! Ano din na yan makabrit Elias? Why you cover the nose?
What's gonna happen? There's legs. There's 2 legs.
I cannot see.
Okay. Zoom it up. No.
Oh, no, look at that. Just like a centipede.
Oh,
Oh, no. Remove the leaves.
Ayan. Okay, we missed it.
And then...
Ayan. There's the legs.
Ito lang pala yung legs niya.
Yes, I told you there's 4 legs.
Ay, where is the 2?
What? I have a...
Wala siyang tail.
Ayun.
Huwag mo i-touch.
Ano if I touch it?
Itchiness.
It's so flappy. Hanay!
Ano?
I need...
Ano?
What we need is an aquarium. Look, it's so... It's small. My baby pa yan. I got something.
What something you will get?
That's what it's for me. What's a called it siya? Lolo. Ba't siya tatakot?
To turn around siya. Kukulin.
Look at baby siya. It is the baby. I didn't reference niya.
Nothing.
Look at siya. Look at baby.
It's only one.
Yes, look at baby siya.
Yeah.
Look at it moving.
Yeah.
But Alice
So very amazing.
yes.
Oh. Wag mong dumihan yung tubig ko.
I don't know where is the aquarium that I put in.
Wag mo. Ay, Giddy naman. Ba't mo binato? Si Giddy.
Namatay na?
Nawala na. Papasok na siya ulit dito sa wood. Ayan. Diyan siya nang galing sa wood. Tapos nag-make siya ng hole. Nag-hide siya sa hole. And then nag-come out siya. No na, Elias. You wait for your tatay. Dirty yan, Giddy. Si Giddy talaga ang kulit. Giddy! Madirty yan, Elias. Itapon mo nga yan. Ni? Gulo naman nilang dalawa.
Nalinitan siya.
Lagyan mo siya ng blanket na leaves. Huwag mo yan paglaruan at ginagamit yan ni tatay mo sa motorcycle niya.
The oil?
Yeah.
Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Look. That. Was it gonna turn
Ba't ang dami mong ganyan?
I think it's chicken fox.
Oh, ang dami na naman, oh.
Look like, pimples.
Pimples.
Wait. Look. What's it getting away? What's it naglalabas sa blanket? Nanay.
Hahanap siya ng hideout.
It needs to
para
escape.
makapag-escape siya and hide.
I need to hide that.
Because they are afraid to you.
Alis na lang ako?
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Put it back mo yun. Doon.
Ano?
Hawakan mo malamang, tapos magugas ka ng kamay. Gumamit ka ng tabo, ha? Pag nagugas ka ng kamay, huwag mo ilublob yung kamay mo doon. Gidi, stop it! Magugas ka nga doon ng kamay mo. Kanina ka pa hawak-hawak ng mga dirtiness.
Nanaway si... What are you gonna say, Blanket?
Nagluluking nga siya ng hideout.
Ano ba niya nakakain? Naughty eats. Nanay.
Molds.
What's molds?
Like that.
I think we need to eat.
Roots of the tree.
Yun na natin papakainin?
Yeah.
Hindi kaya ka nagpunta ng sa...
Hindi siya nag-eat ng rice. Hindi naman siya human.
Ano nga ka naglaki size sa car? Nanay. Ano nangyari ka malaki naman size sa car? Ano nangyari?
Parang ganun, Elias. Hindi sila nag-grow ng bigger.
Meron ba yan dissolving?
I don't know.
The fake glass ito. Fake paint. It's very fake.
Ikaw nagawa niyan.
But it's fake nanay because it makes them play it though.
Ganon.
Yeah. And
Thank you for watching. That's all. Bye.
Pakita ko yung tinanong ko. Si ate ko yung bulati na yan.